Hi, welcome back on the Better Self channel. I'm going to show you how to enable screen recording in your Realme 14 Pro Plus. So to this operation you have to slide up, go to settings, then scroll down and go to the accessibility and convenience here. And there is the option screen recording, so click on it. And as you see, the screen recording sound is already here. Record microphone sound, you can enable it if you wish. You can set up the specification of the record of this, and there is an information how to do that. So you can tap screen recording and quick starting recording from here. So there is an option screen recording from here, so you can tap it. And as you see from now, we're gonna screen record from here. There is a time. You can pause, stop, or disable microphone or sound. Yep. So this is all about the screen recording. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.